Well, to start, we start with the Python environment. In this case, we use Google Cloud. We click the page, we get this interface, Open Cloud, and a new node group. In this case, we will open this interface, we click in code, and we have the first cell. In this cell, we will write first hello world with the predefined function print hello world. To execute, we can do a click, or simply with Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Yeah, two types of data that we are going to use. In this case, to comment, to make a comment with a number, and we want the first comment. Comment 1, comment 2, comment 3, and so on. If we execute it, it will not show us anything, because they are just comments of code. If we want to write several lines of code, it can also be done with 3 simple quotes. A lot. A couple of comments. In this case, we write Hi Lucas. We execute and simply execute the print function, which is Hi Lucas. Now to have a type of data. We have, for example, n1 equal to data 10. If I want to show that value, we use the print function n1. We execute the value of 10. But what is 10? 10 is a whole. I'm going to put it here whole. If I want to do that, for the other data, we have the floating value that is. For example, the peak value is 3.1415. So we change the value with n2. It is a float. What else? We can have a list. It is defined with corchets and inside is separated by command. It is a list. We put it. We change the name with n3 to show n3. We have a whole double floating, a list, and we can have a Boolean, in this case true. We define it with the variable n4 and we show it. Now what happens if I execute it? Boolean. List. Some are data. We also need, for example, a string. A string, for example, Google. If we execute it, it will show us its values. First print n1, which is 10. The second, which is the value of pi, is 3.1415, n2. It shows us row by row. We have the list n3, 1, 2, 3. There are the values. Then the Boolean n4 with true, n5. The string, defined with double quotes. It is also the same to write in this way. To know the type of data of a variable, we can write type, which is to show, in this case type of n1, or in this case type of n2. type in 3, type in 4, and if type in 5. If we execute it, we are told that the first value is integer of class integer. The second value is float. The third is a list. The fourth is a Boolean. It can be true or false. In this case, we define with true in the fourth. It's a string, a set of characters.